planet is written in stone, written for all time in the earth below our feet. It tells the tale of an ancient era when dinosaurs ruled the world. Many have dreamed of visiting that world, witnessing the majesty and the power of the largest, most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived. That dream is now a reality here at Jurassic World. The park is a technological marvel.
It's our herbivore area. Over here we have our largest dinosaur, the Brachiosaurus. And over here to my left we have an adult and juvenile Battersea. Not to be confused with the Triceratops, very important there.
Whoa.
And over here we do have a little baby dinosaur.
Oh, you got baby dinosaur.
Now, this is a pteranodon, that's a silent P by the way, and we can't touch it, it is only a baby, but we can get close enough to have a picture with it. Would you like that?
Well, the continents used to be merged together and then they cracked and sort of just drifted apart. That's how we know the world is today.
What makes that sound up to 1.6 kilometers away. So many dinosaurs. Hi mate, how's it going? Yeah, that one too. It's alright, she understands. She understands.
Careful guys, careful, this is the power solar.
Look, when the good is and it close the eyes.
Yeah,
Close the eyes.
he likes it.
Really? Oh no.
Everyone, do be very careful. Its jaw swallow you down in one bite. So do be very careful of its T-Rex here. Be careful, my friends. Its teeth might be so a little bit sharp.
Around, we have a very exciting little dinosaur to show you over here. Ooh, you'll have a chance to see it. Now, this here is Bumpy, and she is an Ankylosaurus. Look, could you take a little step back for me, buddy? Just.
Voglio salire, io torno
Good job. All right, my friend. Who is your grown-up today? Can you step back behind this corner for me? I don't want you to get eaten by a dinosaur. Thank you very much. Way back, friends. All right, it's lovely to see you all here, especially the little dino nuggets, right, that we've got here. Now, my name is Sean, and I am the lead raptor trainer here at the Jurassic World Raptor Encounter. In just a few moments, you will be meeting a Velociraptor named Blue. Now, Blue is very big and very dangerous, so you're all going to stay well behind this caution line. Does anyone know the name of Blue's sisters? Anyone know the name of Blue's sisters? Yeah, go for it. Okay. Is Blue 20% bigger than her sisters Charlie, Delta and Echo? Blue is also 20% more aggressive. And right now she's getting an idea of if we are dangerous or if we're just little nothings under her feet. Alright, Blue. There we go, she's sniffing you out. Hey, Blue, stand down. Stand down.
Come here.
Good. Hey! What are you going to say? Blue, back up. Back up. Hey! Back up. Go. There we go. Good go. Let her go. Alright.
Right, folks, just hope many of us Blue is very food driven, and right now she thinks she can break my heart begging for a rat. And she can. Okay, girl. Here's a treat for you, but you've got to give them a good show, huh? Okay, there you go. Go get it. Now, normally we'd maybe wait until after training, but she seems like she's in a particularly grouchy mood today. Okay, Blue, why don't you come on over? Let's say hello to our guest. Be sweet. Good girl. All right, folks, Blue gets her incredible name from the stripe down her side. Yes, we know you're beautiful. We know. Good girl. Be sweet. There we go. She got that blue stripe when we had to fix her DNA by adding in the DNA of the black-throated monitor lizard. That's also what means Blue doesn't have any feathers, and it's 20% bigger than her sisters. Now, Blue, I'm going to do some training with you today, don't we? Everyone, can you please hold your hand out in front of you as a fist? On the count of 3, we're going to open our hands, and hopefully Blue will give us a big smile, and then maybe she'll get another treat. 1, 2, 3. Good girl, clever girl, Blue. All right, I owe you a treat later. Blue, back up. All right, folks, take one big step back from me. Blue, back up. I'm sure we've just lost a generator or a power source, and we'll be back on in just a moment. But for now, let's be safe, not sorry. Blue, keep going back, girl. Back up, again, back up. What is going on? Blue, stand down. No. These are friends. Blue. Hey, eyes on me. Eyes on me. Good girl.
Sometimes I can't see any more dinosaurs today on your visit, but we do just need to make sure that you're safe. Let's just get you through this gate. Control, we seem to have some issues with the gate. Have you got the backup generator on yet?